We called this event tonight The Art of Justice because, as prosecutor, doing justice is an art. It requires a certain amount of professional skill, but it also requires instinct and heart to make the right decision, to find the proper balance in each individual case, and exercise our discretion in a fair and even-handed manner in the interest of justice, to do what's right for the public safety of our community, for the victim, and for the offender. We're fortunate here in Monroe County to have a prosecutor's office that functions well, where a team of skilled, competent, and experienced professionals do their best every day to protect and promote the public safety of this community, because they know that it's important for the community and because they care about doing a good job. And in fact, several of them are present here with us this evening, and I also very much appreciate that. People who live in Monroe County know that we have a prosecutor's office that will meet the challenge in those big cases, those cases that involve violent crime, when the outcome really matters to the community, and we will continue to do so. As prosecutor, I've not only reached out to law enforcement agencies, but also to groups in the community to create new resources that improve public safety and to promote public education and crime prevention initiatives that make this a safer community. My philosophy is, and I say this all the time, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. It's better to prevent something from happening than to react after the fact, after someone's already been victimized. And we've put that into action with things like the Children and Technology Parents Resource Guide, the Get a Ride Drunk Driving Prevention Campaign, public education on crimes against the elderly, and outreach efforts to students on the IU campus about sexual assault awareness. With any new resource we create, it includes a public education and a prevention component. Under my leadership, the prosecutor's office has been actively engaged working with other groups in the community to create resources like the Sexual Assault Response Team, the SART, the Sexual Assault Nurse Examiner Program, SANE nurses, Susie's Place, Child Advocacy Center, the award-winning Pharmaceutical Safe Disposal Program, and many other initiatives. I've worked with the university, the hospital, the schools, Indiana Legal Services, organizations representing seniors, and many others, and by working together, we've developed those new resources that have improved public safety and made a difference. There's a display back there in the back of the room that shows some of the public education initiatives and prevention initiatives that we've done over the last 7 years. Each of those posters, in addition to being original local art, represents an idea. And I often say having the idea is half the battle. Some great things never happen because we never have the idea. It never occurs to us. And then even with that idea, you have to be able to work with others to make those things happen. Working together, we've taken those ideas and we've created the new resources and programs that have improved public safety in the community. Each one of those posters is associated with one of those initiatives, with those resources. And they all tell a story in a way that people can see and understand. The good news is that I still have plenty of ideas of things that we can do working together. And in fact, as prosecutor, I want to work to make those ideas happen. In fact, that's what I really enjoy about this job, because it feels like we're making a difference when we do that. For example, we need a pediatric SANE program in our own community, Sexual Assault Nurse Examiner Program. The way it works right now, child victims of sexual abuse are referred up to Riley Hospital in Indianapolis for a pediatric SANE examination. And many times they don't go because they don't have the resources to get there. As victims, they didn't get the response they needed, and it hurt our investigations and it hurt our cases. Because we have the idea of what we need, and because we can work together to do something about it, we are working together with our local medical community, and we are going to roll out a pediatric SANE program right here in Bloomington that will serve this community. That's what I'm currently working on. That will be a huge step forward. That's the power of a good idea. That's the importance of being able to work well with others in the community to make it happen. That's the value of community leadership. So there's more work that needs to be done, and I still have ideas about what we can do to improve public safety. That's why I'm running for re-election. That's why I ask for your support to continue serving as the elected prosecutor in Monroe County, and I thank you for your help.